All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $277.40 with the goods. All said and done, I had an overage moneymaker of $19.37. And as always, when I give you this breakdown, that total includes the tax. I got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. This is for the week of March 23rd to March 29th, or March 22nd to March 28th, if you live up north out of the state of Florida. As you know, I'm doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right off. And hey, trying to build my channel up, please hit the like button. Wow, so yes, a lot of deals here, maybe 15 to 20 or so good deals. And if you follow my channel, I go for the biggest money maker. I'm trying to leave the store with money in my pocket. So, and a little tip, if there's a money maker, I say, this is my advice. You should buy it because it'll help you pay for other stuff, and you can donate it, or family members, always family members, can use something. Let's get in right into these 15 or so deals. Some of these deals I did before and they came back in the bottom, so I got to do it again. And if a deal came back in the bottom and it's a moneymaker, I'm going to do it again. You're right. Well, this one wasn't a moneymaker, but still a good deal. These Haagen-Dazs, as we know, they're still on sale for a couple more days. Regular price is $1.75 with tax $1.88. They're on sale for $5.25 with tax $1.34. There's a limit of 5 on a bottle. I actually only got one. They are $1. It kind of glitches, so it's only 34 cents for that. Band-Aid gauze. You got a couple more days to do this. Let's see, March 24th. So tomorrow, today's Thursday the 23rd, March 24th. Once again, I'm going to do this deal because it's a moneymaker. These are just the regular price, $2.62. There's a $2 off store coupon that takes $2 off, of course, and manufacturer coupon no longer in print, takes 75 cents off. But if you follow my channel, hopefully you got some of these laying around. And so that makes that, well, I got 2 of them, as you can see. I did this in 2 transactions, of course. I had my spend 75 get $10 off competitor coupon, so I broke this monster up into 2. One was like 75 or 76, and the other one was like $82. 2 different stores. But you could do all this. You could do all this in one transaction. I only used one Publix digital account for everything I got here. Those 2, by the way, were a 26-cent overage. All right, here we go. Splenda liquid. Did this before, and it got better. Now they're BOGO. So it just got even better. And you're gonna do better than me on this. So as you can see, I got 12 of them. So I got 3 of the monk fruit, and I got 9 of the liquid stevia ones. The monk fruit cost $13.47, and the stevia was $40.51 when you factor. Well, there's no tax on these, but however, they're BOGO, so you get all 12 of these for $26.94. And I used 6 of these, $4 off of 2, 2 of them. So 6 of these, $4 off of 2 coupons from this save January 15th. That gave me $24 to the good. Also, Ibotta had $2 back on these, limit of 3. So I got $6 more back from that. They actually have $3 back on these, but I had used mine 3 times on the stevia one, so I did not get that. So you're going to do better than me on these. Altogether, though, I had a $3.06 overage. And everything was helping me, as you know, build up to that $75 threshold. Barilla, El Bronzo. I got the linguine again this time. Last week it glitched with the pesto sauce on about it. This time it didn't. But the regular price is $2.59. It's on sale still for $2.04. Publix digital coupon, if you haven't used it, takes $1.50 off. And Fetch gives you a little bit of change, so you're looking at about 50 cents total for this pasta. L'Oreal Men's here. And here's my example. This came back in Ibotta, and I'm going to do this deal again this week. I think, all the couponers, YouTube couponers, if they saw this deal, they should have done it again. I did it again. I've done it 3-4 times, maybe. I think at least 4 times because it keeps resetting in Ibotta. Regular price for these guys, The regular price for these guys are $12.99 each with tax, $27.93. They're on like super clearance for $4.99 each. This time I got this one. The guy looks a little more like me because I got curly hair. $4.99 for two of them. When you factor the tax, they come to $10.73. There is a coupon from the Save. Now hurry up because it's going to expire in 2 days. $6 off of two. It was from the Save March 5th. So that gave me $6 to the good. Also, Ibotta has $3 back, and it reset again. So $3 back, limited to. So that gave me another $6 to the good, making this $1.27 overage. All right, let's get some Airwick stuff here. Airwick. If this works out, this is going to be a great deal. Hopefully it will. As you can see, I got 3 items. The Airwick Vibrant, and I got the Airwick. I guess these are called the I think freshmatics or something like that. Anyways, they're spray. They're all in the same section. So these rounded top kind of things. The regular price for the Vibrant is $7.49. Regular for the I guess the freshmatics they're called or whatever. These are $6.49. I got 2 of them, so $6.49 times 2 plus $7.49. Factor the tax comes to $22.01 for both of these. All right, here we go. Let's see. So I had a Publix digital coupon for the Vibrant that take $4 off. I had a Publix digital coupon for these guys that was by BOGO, so that took $6.49 off. So check your Publix digital. I had an Ibotta rebate for this that took $4 off. Coupons.com also has $4 off and or. Coupons.com also has buy one get one free on these and or. And there's a $5 rebate when you spend $15 on Airwick products. So in all, if all of it works out, I've got a $7.97 overage on these 3 items. Detailed breakdown below this video. Links to print all the coupons as always. All right, Splenda Magic Baker. So regular price for these are $8.99. So for 2 of them, get you at $17.98. However, they're BOGO, so you get both of them for $8.99. There is a manufacturer printable coupon from their website that takes $3 off. I was unable to print it, so you guys are going to do better than me on this. I don't know. I just want you to download stuff and, oh my God, just like give them your date of birth and social security number and bank account number. No, not all that stuff, but it's just a bunch of, it was a hassle. I tried it, of course, but I did not it did not work. Maybe my computer's too old. Regardless, I used this guy, and I got $4 off of 2 of them instead of $6 off. I got the link to print that. Hopefully you'll have better luck. You probably will easily print it. I got an old computer. Yeah. So, and then Ibotta has $2 back on each one, so made them only 99 cents for both of them. Now you're gonna have a $1.99 overage if you get those $3 coupons. Biosteel sports drinks. Dang, I don't have the printed coupon. Manufacturer printer coupon on the table, but it's for $1, and I've got the link to print it below. Regular price for these guys are $2 each, so for 6 of them, as you can see, I got 6 of them. They're hiding back there, but they're $12. They're BOGO, so for 6 of them, cost only $6. And there's a manufacturer printable, as I mentioned, for $1 off. I used 6 different ones, and that gave me $6 to good, making it $1. All right, Hope Hummus. Regular price for this is $4.99. For both of them would be $9.98. They're on sale at BOGO. You get both of them for $4.99. And Ibotta gives you $1 back and $1 back on both of these, making that down to $2.99 for both of them. I know I speak fast, so just look below this video, hit see more, show more, and show more again gives you a detailed breakdown. And then this is what takes me the most. I don't really edit my videos. As you can see, I got the camera going crazy, and I just throw everything I got on the table. I mean, I organize it good, and I've got my breakdown in the hand and tell you what's going on. So, ASTEPRO. Regular price $18.99 for these guys. So for 2 of them would cost you $37.98. They are on sale, $4 off, so you get 2 of them would cost $14.99 each, or $29.98 for both of them. There is a manufacturer coupon. This is a good one. If you got, there's also a digital coupon, and maybe even a printable, but there's a digital coupon, maybe a digital coupon too. But the manufacturer coupon from March 19th, Smart Source, is $7 off, so I used 2 of those. That gave me $14 to the good. I used 2 of the store coupons that expire tomorrow. That gave me $8 to the good. Fetch has 5,000 points. It might go away today, so jump right on that. Hopefully it didn't. Hopefully it resets. So that gave me $5 to good, coupons.com. And or gave another $5 to the good, making those two a $2.02 overage. Now, if you just want to get one and you do it there, you can have like a $7 and $7 overage on one of them. Maybe. All right, Springer Mountain. I got 4 of them. Regular price $4.79. So for 2 of them will cost $19.16. They're BOGO, so you get 2 of them for, where's my math? $9.58. There's a manufacturer printable coupon. I got a link to print that below. It takes $1.50. Obviously, these deals are real ready to cook, ready to eat, real easy. Frozen or not frozen, just in the kind of hard to find. But if you ask somebody, they'll tell you Springer Mountain. So I used 4 of these. That gave me $6 to the good. Made these 4 bags, only $3.58. All right, Schick Hydro 5, I guess it's called. Yeah, 5 blades. I wanted to get the other one, the Schick Quattro 4, the one that I always get, but it was sold out, so I had to settle for this. So you guys will do better than me on this. The regular price, they are on sale. The regular price for this guy is $11.69, factor the tax $12.57. It's on sale for $9.69, factor the tax $10.42. There is a $4 coupon from the Save March 12th. It takes $4 off. Coupons.com and or has $4 off, making that only $2.42. If you have the other one, you're gonna have probably around $1 overage on there. All right, Finished Quantum. These guys are regular price $9.69. These right here. So for 2 of them, when you factor the tax, would cost $20.83. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get both of them for $9.69 plus the tax, $10.42. I had 2 Publix digital coupons. Each one took $2 off and $2 off, so they both came off. That's good. Hopefully you're following my channel, and as you know, I've got all my Ibotta rebates clicked. I got all my Publix digital coupons clipped. That way they didn't go away, so that one stayed in there. So that's a reason why I do it. So just click, 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 click. Every week or so, you'll be clipping, like 10, 15 more. Or every 3 days do it, or whatever. Usually like Sunday or something, a lot of them come in. Regardless, $10.42 paid for both of these. $2 back from Publix digital coupon. $2 back from Publix digital coupon. Ibotta had $2, and I redeemed 2 of them, so that was $4 to the good. Coupons.com had $2 to the good. Coupons.com had $1.50 to the good. It's $1.08 overage for that. Chobani oat milk. Oh, of course, I don't have this coupon here. Now you see me, now you don't, magic. So these are called a Blinky coupon. They are kind of the in-store dispenser right on the glass or by the product, and every couple minutes it shoots one out. So I got 2 of these, and that took, their regular price is $4.99. So both of them cost you $9.98. However, they're on sale BOGO, so you get 2 of them for $4.99. I used 2 of these, $1.50 off and $1.50 off. That gave me $3 to the good, making my total price for those $1.99. All right, So Delicious. Right there. So Delicious. These guys are a regular $1.92 each. So for 2 of them, it'll be $3.84. However, they are on sale for $1 each. That's a good deal, almost half price. So 2 of them cost me $2. There is another Blinky coupon in-store display. I used both of mine. There's 65 cents off on each one. Gave me $1.30 to the good. And then there is an Ibotta rebate, $1 off of 2. Mine was $1 off 2. You might have $1.50 off of 1. You know, I had used that, so I got $1 off of 2 on that. Regardless, $2 spent, $1.30 from the manufacturer Blinky coupons, $1 back from Ibotta, made that a 30-cent overage. And of course, helped me build up to my 75 twice to get another 20 off. Reiser sides, $4.79. There is one, I think it's called the maple mashed potatoes for $4.69 at my store, but I was unable to find it. So these are $4.79 each. So for 2 of them will cost you $9.58. However, they're BOGO, so you get both of them for $4.79. And there's the coupon right there. There's a manufacturer printable coupon that takes $1 off. I got the link to print that below. So I used 2 of those. That gave me $2 to the good off my $4.79 spent, making them only $2.79. Fresh Express salad. I got to get these in the fridge. The regular price are $4.99. There are some for $5.99. $4.99, so for 2 of them cost $9.98. However, they are BOGO this week. Gotta love that. So you get 2 of them for $4.99. There's a manufacturer, not a manufacturer, printable, manufacturer coupon from, I think it's a save. I got it below. I think it's a save sometime in February. Took $1 off and $1 off, making that only $2.99 for that healthy sale there. I've gotten salad dressing before. I've gotten salad sometimes, but this is first time I got this salad. So hopefully, oh man, I consume everything. All this stuff will be. I'm not a picky eater, so yeah. So I had a Publix perk come off as well. That was $2 a good, and of course I split it up into 2 transactions. I know you can't do that unless you commented on me. A couple people did, and I sent these out to some of you. So. You could do this in 2 transactions and get 10 off. And 10 off, that's another $20 to good, thus giving me my $19.37 overage moneymaker. And yes, $277 worth of goods, $19.37 overage. And once again, please subscribe. Funny looking guy. Check out my other videos. My last video, I got a lot of views, so I like that. And building these up. And yes, I mean, obviously, you know, I'm trying to build my channel up. Couponing is very, very time consuming, as some of you know. But, you know, I'm thinking about this. You know, you're spending this time doing this. You really don't need money when you're couponing like this. You know, you don't really need money. I know, but I mean, maybe you want to get some other stuff or whatever. But you know, I haven't bought groceries in years, actually. So once again, please subscribe, and everybody enjoy their couponing this week.